sasagot ko sa exam.
Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Junmar Fajardo, and winning head coach Leo Austria. Hi, Coach Leo, once again. Back-to-back wins on your games back. Congratulations. Ano po yung assessment nyo on your import? And, of course, paano na iba yung rotation ninyo having a new import and US head coach?
I think dapat alamin natin na yung import kaunting panahon lang yung ginugol niya sa ensayo namin. And then he's trying to adapt the system that we have in the Philippines. And slowly, nakikita niya na this is our game plan. And then I'm so happy with him dahil makikita mo naman nandun yung ini-expect namin niya, yung pagka-hard worker. And then ang dami niya napulot na bola doon, especially yung mga putback. And that's one thing na kailangan namin masustain. Dahil in the previous tournament, so we didn't have a player like him. And if you notice, second chance points namin, mas mataas sa kanila. But I'm not yet so happy, because yung turnover namin mataas And then a little bit of a scrappy in the first quarter. But kahit paano sama ng laro, kung panalo ka, kahit 1 point yan, a win is a win. And what more if it is more than 10 points.
Thanks, Coach. Junmar, kamusta? Kanina nag-usap tayo. You're feeling under the weather at may sakit ka. But getting best player today, tapos double-double pa and multiple assists, sa mga araw na ganito, paano mo pinupush yung sarili mo?
Yun nga. Thankful ako kay Coach. Una-una pala, salamat kay Megagan na walang na-injury sa game na to. Yun. Kailangan i-push yung sarili. Kailangan dig deep. Kasi gusto rin namin manalo kasi pag natalo kami, mahirap na. So, ayun, yan, collective efforts yun sa ng team, sa coaching staff, and then sa mga players. So, kaya nakuha namin yung panalo. So.
We're now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Coach, congratulations. Another win.
Thank you.
Coach, nakaano ko na ba? Medyo hindi ka na nangangapa after 2 or 3 days.
Well, kung i-assess ko yung sarili ko, I'm not yet there. Actually, going to the game, medyo kinakabahan ako because in the last two nights, I was not able to sleep well, thinking of the game. Because if you know na I just took over the team a couple of days ago, and I have only one practice to prepare. After a game against Terra Firma, so kindly, hard yun for a coach. Because it's hard to coach if you don't know all the things na you want your players to do. And usually, especially sa mga play, and mabuti na lang, so yung bread and butter namin na plays, so it's still there, namimemorya pa, hindi, medyo mataas yung kanila mga memory card, and then, I think, yun ang isang, a key, kung bakit kami, and at the same time, so at the start of the game, I want to be deliberate and methodical. And they know what to do. And then there's a lot of players in the bench na capable of playing, but I'm looking for a good combination. And nire-reward ko yung mga player na nasa loob, talagang really working hard. And then nakita natin how Andreas kahilig play. He's not in the starter of the bench siya. Last pa nga siya nung pinasok ko. But yun ang sinasabi ko, I have to define the role of the player. And that's his role. And what more, he's a two-way player. He can play defense and you cannot leave him wide open.
Coach, aside from Kahilig, nakita natin si Trollano, si Ross, Lassiter medyo heavy minutes din. So ito na ba yung parang sinasabi mong rotation mo or you're still figuring it out?
The rotation medyo kukonte, ano, because of ano the kind of personnel of our opponents. Kahilig was there for a longer minutes because of George King. And nobody could do better than Kahilig in our team. And we tried our report from the start, but nakita nyo man, nagbigay siya ng 4 na 4 points. Ganyan. That's huge. And then we switched to Kahilig and it works. Ganyan. And then, ayun na sinasabi ko sa team ko na may kanya-kanyang role Kaya I don't have to please any one of them, ano, as long as na we're after do sa W. And maintindihan nila in the future. But those players na hindi nagagamit in the future will be having other playing time. It depends on our opponent.
Coach, EASL na ata yung next game nyo, tama ba? Ikaw rin na mag-handle nun?
Yeah, on Wednesday. Ako yata ganyan. Ako yata.
Pero, I mean, yung kasi, yun ata yung next game nyo, Eastern pareho no?
Yeah, Eastern on Wednesday sa Hong Kong. And then pagbalik dito, sila na naman ang kalaban namin. And then naglaro kami dito. Ayun, magkukumustahan na naman kami. Long time no see Ganyan.
Pero paano yun, Coach? Yung part of your, na rin yun, no? Parang, if you're parang feeling out dahil nga sa mo, no?
Para sa akin, every game, especially with this team, San Miguel, so there's a lot of pride there. And we should be ready, and prepared against, because yung mga fans namin talagang always expecting a lot from us and we cannot rest or but syempre ang natin dito yung game natin dito, but EASL is medyo malaki rin ang pwedeng ibigay sa sa team we're not carrying only our team San Miguel it is the PBA and our country, and we should play accordingly, and then kailangan medyo talagang may class ang ibibigay namin.
27 points, 22 rebounds. Last time parang 19 rebounds ka ata. So, dahil pa kay Coach Leo, kaya yung numbers mo maganda-ganda. Mas mataas-taas.
Normal sa kanya yun.
Ano yan, thankful ako sa mga teammates ko, especially sa kala coach, na Pops, so yun, kasi hinahanap ako sa poste, yun yung place. And then, ayun, yung mga teammates ko naman, nag-step up, hindi lang ako, hindi buong team nag-step up, so sana tuloy-tuloy. Siyempre, mati ako. Mama, Papa, Jay, Kendra, Vance, Mauricio, Lilo Berting, Kraken and Jay Carwash, House Gaming, House of Kraken, Attorney Extension, Family, siyempre sa mga Bigoys, House Gang, then, tapos, siyempre, sa mga taga-Pinamungahan, taga-Cebu, maraming salamat sa suporta sa mga fans ng San Miguel. Salamat sa suporta sa mga fans ng PBA. Sana pagpatuloy natin yung pagsuporta sa PBA. And then, sana healthy tayo at yung family natin sa pagdating ng Christmas. Sana masaya tayong lahat. So, God bless.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to SMB.